This indeed is a sign. You could have been reading any post right now, but Allah Tabarakallah chose you to read this now. Everything you've been praying for is about to happen. Inshallah, bi'idhnillah. Is about to happen for you. Your days of hardship are over. And Allah Tabarakallah subhanahu wa ta'ala is about to bring the light of happiness into your life. Allah is about to make everything right. Bi'idhnillah. He's about to make everything right. You've been suffering for so long. He knows that, and is about to bless you and reward you with all that your heart's been desiring, been waiting for, been praying for. You will soon find yourself in the place you've been praying so long for. Your relief is near. So get ready. Get ready. Allah's blessings are upon you. Innama li uzra fa innama li uzra. Mashallah, tabarakallah, hasbunallah, wa ni'mal wakil, wa ni'mal mawla, wa ni'mal nasir. Assalamu alaikum. Share with friends and family and trust Allah.